Have you ever found an old gold ring, necklace, or coin lying around and wondered, is this real gold? What if I told you that with just a simple tube of toothpaste you could find out the truth, right in your own home? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stay with me till the end because what you're about to discover might completely change the way you look at your jewelry forever. The secret hidden in a tube of toothpaste. Toothpaste. Yes, that same minty stuff you use every morning actually hides a scientific secret. Inside that little tube are tiny abrasive particles like silica, calcium carbonate, and baking soda. These ingredients are designed to remove stains from teeth. But when they touch certain metals, they reveal something even more powerful, the truth about whether your gold is real or fake. So before you spend money at a jeweler or fall for a scam online, let's unlock the simple home test that anyone can do using nothing but toothpaste. What you'll need. Here's all you need for this test. A small piece of gold jewelry or coin you want to test. Plain white toothpaste, no color gels or whitening additives. A soft cloth or tissue, a little bit of warm water. That's it. No chemicals, no fancy equipment, just items already in your bathroom. Step by step, how to test your gold with toothpaste. 1. Squeeze a small amount of toothpaste onto your gold item. Make sure it's enough to cover a small section of the surface. 2. Gently rub the toothpaste on the gold using your fingers or a soft cloth for about 30 to 60 seconds. Don't scrub too hard, gold is soft and we don't want to scratch it. 3. Watch closely as you rub. Real gold will stay bright and shiny, holding its color. Fake gold or gold-plated metals, however, might begin to lose color, darken, or show a different metal underneath. When you're done, rinse the item with warm water and dry it carefully. Now comes the moment of truth. If the gold shines just as before, smooth, rich and glowing, congratulations, you likely have real gold. But if it looks dull, patchy or discolored, sorry, you've probably discovered a fake. But wait, there's a catch. Before you start squeezing toothpaste all over your jewelry box, here's something important. This test is not 100% accurate. Toothpaste can help you get a quick idea, but it's not a replacement for professional testing methods like nitric acid or electronic gold analyzers. Why? Because some fake gold items are coated so well the toothpaste won't react to them at all. And on the flip side, low carat real gold like 10K or 14K might show a slight change in color because it contains other metals mixed in. So think of this as your first clue, not the final verdict. Pro tip, compare two pieces. If you want to make the test even more reliable, grab a piece of gold you already know is real, maybe a wedding ring or coin, and test both together. When you compare how they react, you'll see the difference much more clearly. The real gold will shine with that unmistakable yellow warmth. The fake, it'll look tired and pale in comparison. The science behind it. Gold is one of the least reactive metals on Earth. That's why it doesn't rust, tarnish, or corrode easily, and why ancient gold treasures still shine after thousands of years. When toothpaste touches real gold, nothing really happens. But when it touches cheaper metals like brass, copper, or nickel, chemical reactions start to occur, changing the color or surface texture. That's the magic you see during the test. Final thoughts? A simple trick, a powerful truth. Sometimes the simplest methods reveal the biggest secrets. Testing gold with toothpaste might sound like a home experiment, but it's also a reminder. Real gold always stays true, under pressure, under light, and even under toothpaste. So the next time someone tries to sell you pure gold, remember this little trick. A tube of toothpaste could save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars.